Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Infitech. In this video we are going to see how to make phone calls in Flutter. So basically we are going to achieve this task using two different methods. So the first one is direct call and the second one is we are going to launch a call URL using URL launcher plugin. So we are going to do this task in two different methods. So for that we need these two different plugins. The first one is Flutter phone direct caller to make a direct call, and the second one is URL launcher to launch a phone URL like a call URL. So we need to add these two dependencies into our Flutter project. So basically this URL launcher requires a minimal setup. So we need to add this intent under queries. We need to add this intent in order to make use of the call URLs, and this is being specified in the URL launcher documentation. You can head over to the documentation of URL launcher and add accordingly. Since we are going to make calls, so if your app make calls, we need to add this intent under queries, and we need to add this after application tag in the manifest tag. So this is the minor setup which we need to add for the URL launcher plugin to make to launch the call URLs. So now I am having this simple boilerplate code. I am having this simple scapefold, and I am having this simple app bar. And for the body, I am having a column with two childrens. One is the padding, one is the text form field, and the other is two different buttons. So now we are going to implement the functionality. So the first one is direct call. So let's take a method. Let's say make direct call. So this function takes the phone number as the parameter, and now so we are going to make use of the Flutter phone direct caller plugin. So this is an async method. So we are going to make use of this package, and we are going to call Flutter phone direct caller dot call number, and when we are going to pass the phone number string. Yes, this is as simple as it. This is just a one line of code. So now let's test this. So for this, before this we need to get the text entered by the user in this text field. So for that I am going to create a text editing controller. I have created a text editing controller. So this is a stateful widget. Actually you can create it here. So I'm going to pass our controller to this text form field, and now what I'm going to do, so here in this onPaste method I'm going to make a direct call. I'm going to pass the phone controller.text here. So controller.text. So before that, so I've done this on saved callback here. So when after the user completes writing the phone number in the text field, we are going to take the value, and I'm going to assign the value to the controller.text. So in that controller.text I am passing as an argument to the make direct call function, and this function does the call. So now let's do that. So when I hit on direct call button, you can see the call has been going to that particular number. And the next one which we are going to do is launch call URL. So for that I am going to create a method by saying launch call URL. Even this takes the phone number as the string, and now I'm going to check with some conditions, and this is also an async method. I'm going to say if await can launch, and before that let me just prepare the URL for me, and for that is tel colon and after that I'm going to concatenate with the phone number. Okay, so here I'm going to check if the URL launcher can launch this string. Then I'm going to say await launch the particular URL. Else you can print or throw an error. You can say cannot launch. So basically this is how we need to frame the URL. To make a phone call with URL launcher plugin, we have to say tell colon and we have to concatenate with the phone number. So now I'm going to call that method. I'm going to say launch, and method name is launch call URL. I'm going to pass the controller.text. So now I'm going to enter some random number. So now when I hit on this launch call URL button, you can see that our default phone app in the device gets opened and the number gets copied into the phone dialer. So basically this is how you make phone calls using Flutter. So you've seen two different plugins. This is as simple as that. This video is just to show that these two methods are available to make phone calls using Flutter. So you can head over to the documentation of this plugin and play accordingly. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching this.
Help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3. I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah.